Last time I took you to Kentucky. Today, we're going to Ohio. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Wooster, Ohio to the Great Lakes Fiber Show. This is my first time here, and I thought I'd bring you along, so let's get started. Our adventure starts here. And these are the different breeds of Angora rabbits. And these are the clippers that are used to clip the Angora rabbits. And you clip them every 3 or 4 months? Every 3 or 4 months. And that's being plucked instead of sheared?
Being plucked instead of sheared. He's releasing the coat. His new coat's coming in. That's yours. And there's no tension when you pull it out. It should be like pulling a tissue out of a box. It doesn't hurt them.
I like the names they use for their colorways. There's over 100 vendors here, and I won't be able to show you all of them, but I'm going to show you some of the highlights.
How are you doing today?
I like the Addams Family reference.
Sounded all the way out. Oh, really? Yes. Did you make that? I love that. But you might use it in a but it's a higher number. So that's how
And this is Bruce, and he's 13 weeks old. Hello, Bruce.
Bruce.
And this is Ann of Handmade, and tell me about your shop.
So my shop started as finished knitwear, but then I realized the knitting needles that I liked didn't exist, so I designed them myself. I found a manufacturer that is hand making them with artisans in India. They're wooden, super lightweight, and then the matte black finish. And then the custom tubing I picked from No Issue. They plant trees, so again, trying to be environmentally friendly, wanted them to be reusable. So you can store them, use them to bring knitting needles to go. And then we started to expand and add some other knitting notions like the scissors, our fun prints that usually have a murdery twist to them, and then also scissors and other notions.
And then you're saying that the yarn comes from Poland?
Yeah, so we're official retailer for Bobiny, which is out of Poland. It's a husband and wife duo, and all of their fiber is recycled cotton. And they focus a lot on crochet and macrame, and we're kind of trying to bring it into the knitting world.
And do you have a website?
I do have a website. It's handmadegoods.com.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
The owner of this shop makes really unique items. She takes metal knitting needles and crochet hooks and makes necklaces, wind chimes, stitch markers, you name it. This is another unique shop I wanted to show you. And this is how you make the patterns. And this is the end result. He also makes other fiber tools, and they're all done by hand, no machines. And if you've seen my channel before, you know this is my favorite name for a shop and my favorite business card. And I showed you this weaver's work at the Kentucky Sheep and Fiber Festival. And this is Flora, and she created the earrings and the bags. How long have you been doing this?
I started maybe like 5 years ago with crochet, and I've kind of slowly added to different fiber hobbies. So I say I do a little bit of everything. So my business name is Floras Fiber Farrago, and Farrago kind of means a hodgepodge or a jumble, which to me is very fitting for what I do because I like to do a little bit of everything. So I have hand woven bags. A lot of them use hand spun that I've used. I like using Laura's fiber because she has such wonderful colorways. But yeah, I just kind of dabble and I do a little bit of everything.
And I'll include Flora's information in the description box below. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
And there's Laura, and she owns Laughing Cat Fibers. And there's Flora's mom. Hi, Flora's mom. And here's a lady. I don't know who she is. Who are you?
I'm Missy. I'm the obsessive fan who gets paid in fiber.
Excellent. So there you have it, the Great Lakes Fiber Show of 2023. That was my first time here, as I mentioned before, and I enjoyed it. Got to see some old friends, and it was a nice time. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off.